If you're having issues with a Final Cut project or library, or you've had a crash, or you can't open a library, there's a saviour in the wings. And this solution also applies to a project where you've made changes and would like to go back to an earlier version before those changes were made. It's easy to do, and all you need to do is be a bit organised so you don't confuse yourself with what library you're wanting to keep working with. Let me show you. Let's look in the library in August 2021. I've just taken a visual note of the projects currently active. To access the backups to this library, select the File menu and open the library from Backup. There are a number of dates showing going back to September. I'll select that because there'll be a significant difference. The new library opens at the top of the browser sidebar and it's named as August 2021 with the date of the backup. I suggest, to avoid confusion, that you rename it to the latest August 2021 and keep the dates for future reference if you need it. The important thing is that the new name is at the beginning so you can see the different name easily. Looking in the sidebar, you can see how many events were not there in the September library. And it's useful to know that Final Cut Pro will keep backups for these backup libraries as well. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell.